Here's a recipe you can make to impress the kids and adults in your life. These orange jello slices are a fun twist on a classic childhood snack. First of all, you'll need to squeeze the juice from about 6 large oranges into a measuring cup topped with a sieve to remove any pulp. You want to end up with a total of about 2 cups of juice, and make sure you save the orange peels after you juice them. Now in a separate bowl, combine unflavored gelatin powder with half a cup of your orange juice until it has mostly dissolved. Add this mixture to a saucepan, then pour in the rest of your juice. Turn the heat to medium-high and stir the mixture until the gelatin has completely dissolved and the liquid is just barely simmering. At this point, you can remove it from the heat and strain the mixture one more time to ensure a super smooth finish. While that cools slightly, you can prepare the orange peels to be filled by scraping out all the pulp with a metal spoon. This might take a little while, but don't give up. Your slices will look so cool when you're finished. Transfer the clean orange halves to a muffin tin, which will keep them upright while you fill and chill them. Carefully pour the orange juice mixture into the empty halves, filling them almost completely to the top, then refrigerate for at least 4 hours or overnight until they are completely set. Now you can slice them into wedges and serve immediately. You can make lime jello wedges using the same process with a few minor changes. You'll need to juice about 6 limes, then add a 1/4 cup of the juice to 1 1/4 teaspoon of gelatin powder to dissolve. After you've added that mixture to the saucepan and poured in the remaining juice, also add about a 1/4 cup of sugar and stir to combine. Use the same filling and chilling process, then serve with your orange slices for a slightly more sour snack. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button for more delicious recipes.